Customer states they had a rod knock. I could imagine. Look at this front main seal. There's nothing sealing it. And if we go to the back, it's not really sealing it either, because it was leaking like crazy from back here. So, yeah, this is quite the fun experience. And here's the rod knock. None of the other ones do this, just this one. Isn't this fun?